By integrating your Defender ATP deployment with Vectra's threat detection and response platform, you're getting a best-in-class combination of EDR plus NDR. The host page provides a view of all hosts on your network showing detection activity. These hosts are scored based on the frequency and volume of their detections. Host scores are made up of two components, a threat score and a certainty score, which get plotted against a threat and certainty index. A typical analyst workflow would begin with investigating hosts in the critical quadrant and then working their way down to the lower hosts on the index. Here we're looking at a single host. The host page represents a host object with a collection of information and artifacts learned about a host. These host details can be learned through network observation fed in from our AI detection models or via partner integrations such as with Defender ATP. You can see that we've learned the host name, machine ID, operating system, and the time it was last seen on the network by Defender ATP. From here, you can pivot directly into Defender ATP for further host investigation. We can see that this machine is currently not isolated. Let's take a response action on this host through the Vectra interface. With Vectra's host lockdown, an analyst can perform a temporary isolation action of any network host under investigation. Simply click Disable Host, then specify the amount of time from 1 to 24 hours for which you wish to disable the host. You will then see that the host has been marked as manually disabled along with the user who performed the action and the timestamp when the action was performed. Back on the Defender ATP side, we can see that the machine is now marked as isolated. In the event that an analyst needs to remove the isolation prior to the expiration of the isolation window, the host can be re-enabled at any time. Alternatively, you can enable host lockdown to automatically isolate hosts whenever a set of user-defined criteria is met. This provides an around-the-clock automated enforcement response even when your analyst may not be available.